How about that? Oh man, I am so excited. So this guy has been terrorizing my yard. My wife had told me about him. I didn't get a good chance to really catch him like I like to get a evening and a morning until Saturday and Friday night into Saturday. And many times he eluded me. He had a small area he would work up, and then he would go down deep under the ground, and so you had a small window of when he was actually in a good run. And I've seen him work several times, but this is my first really good opportunity to catch him. So I am so excited. Man, it's the greatest feeling when you get a mole out of your yard. He has just really been tearing up a whole bunch of area. All right, God bless you all from the MOLiminator.